Welcome to RoboBrief. I'm your host, and here are today's three biggest stories in humanoid robotics. First up, Unitree's G1 just went viral with the most jaw-dropping mobility demo of the year. The Chinese humanoid was filmed gliding on rollerblades and then on ice skates, executing controlled spins, 360 turns, and even front flips, all while staying perfectly balanced. Instead of relying only on legs like most humanoids, the G1 switches between walking and rolling with wheel leg control that lets it shift weight side to side in real time. The footage racked up millions of views, and Unitree says it's a glimpse of where their full stack training platform is heading. Robot Winter Olympics, anyone? Next. Figure AI just hit a manufacturing milestone that nobody saw coming. The company's BotQ facility is now producing one Figure 03 humanoid every hour. That's a 24 times throughput jump in under 120 days, going from one robot per day to one per hour. Over 350 units have already rolled off the line, with end-of-line yield above 80% and battery production hitting a ridiculous 99.3% first-pass yield. CEO Brett Adcock says the goal is to be shipping humanoids at automotive scale by 2027, and on this pace, they might actually pull it off. And finally, Sophia the robot just performed live with a full symphony orchestra for the first time ever. Hanson Robotics' famous humanoid took the stage at the Hong Kong Baptist University annual gala concert in a gold sequined gown and delivered 3 original songs, including one titled Wires and Steel. The concert, themed Live Music Reimagined, celebrated the university's 70th anniversary and is being called Sophia's first true crossover into classical performance. Whether you call it a duet or a Turing test set to music, it's a sign of where AI is heading next. That's it for today's RoboBrief. If you liked this, hit subscribe and check out robobrief.tech for more. See you tomorrow.